Hey everyone, in this video we'll learn about prompt chaining. Prompt chaining is one of the interesting prompting techniques, right? So in general, real world scenarios, it shouldn't be the direct simple prompt. It's like you'll do some multiple approaches and multiple prompts. Like prompt one output will be the input for the next prompt. So these kind of process will happen sometimes, right? So you can see this example. You are a helpful assistant. Your task is to help answer a question given in the document. The first step is to extract codes and delimited by hash, hash, hash. Please output the list of codes using codes and response with no relevant codes found. If no relevant codes are found, you pass the document content. Then it given some output. Chain of thought prompting, generated knowledge prompting, leads to most prompting, etc. etc. In that way, it given. Then, if you see this in the second prompt, given a set of relevant codes delimited by quotes and extracted from a document and the original document delimited by hash, and please compose an answer to the question. Ensure that answer is accurate, has a friendly tone and sounds helpful. There he passed whatever the document content as well as whatever quotes it was extracted from this output of prompt one. That also passed here. Based on that, it given the response like this. The prompting techniques mentioned in the documents include this. Each of these techniques employs unique strategies to enhance or specify the interactions with the large language models to produce the desired outcomes. So the point here is there is a technique that is known as prompt chaining. There you will use multiple prompts output as an input to the next. So that's why they're calling it as a prompt chaining. Like how chain is connected one end with another starting point in the same way, the output of the first prompt will be the input for the second prompt. Then in the same way, if it is a complex scenario, then that output you can again pass it as an input to the another prompt. In that way, the process will go until and unless you will get the final conclusion answer. So this is the approach, right? So this is one of the useful technique in real world scenarios. Like you're passing some document content, and after that you need to get some response. After that, you get both these things, then pass as an input to another model to come up with something. So these kind of things will happen. So yeah, that is nothing but a prompt chaining. I hope you got some clarity. We'll see you in the next tutorial.